this is how the machine what will be look like. And you know, this is the machine tray, right? There's a paper feed tray, this one, and this one is the our machine, the regular machine what we are seeing. And this down sheet, if you see this one, this is the one where we will install the toner. And if you open that door, and then if you see this one, if you pull this one toner back, see, this is the toner. Just pull it out, then there is one the sleeve here, just lift it up, then toner will come out. And while you are keeping the new toner, just keep the new toner. While you are keeping the new toner, make sure that there is one green color or the black color one plastic will become, and you are make sure that you remove that. Then just install it on the place, and you can keep it inside. And this is the downside one, which is the one is how the toner hopper section will be there. I don't really like to we'll have the toner hopper issues, and I'm not covering that now, but like it will like use thing. If you have any toner hopper issues, make sure that you have to remove these covers. And there one big tank will be there, one black color tank. So for the black color tank, again the pipe section, the suction pipes will be there, and those pipes will be taking the toner from here. This is where the toner we are pushing, right? And this is where the machine, our all drum and developer will be there. So the toner, the pipes will be coming from this back side. In this machine, this will be coming from this back side, and it will come till here again. So it will come here, and from here it will go to the developer. We will open this one, but make sure that if any toners hopper issues were there, and we need to take care of this section. But I not recommend, like if they are not the professional service trained technician, to open these things. It's like if you have too much toner and it will make so much this one. Make sure that if no other option, so you can open, and while you are opening, follow step by step like what you are opening, and remove one by one and everything.